In Active Presenter, you can split one slide into many smaller parts, thanks to the Split Slide feature. This is so helpful to distinguish between different parts of your project while you're editing. Let's take a look at this example. I would like to divide this slide into two parts for easier editing. So, the first thing I need to do is to specify the position in the timeline pane, where I want the slide to get split. Then, click the Split Slide button. As you can see, now I've got two slides here. After that, I can easily edit the separated parts like adding transitions to the start of the new sections. In case you want to merge multiple slides into one, just use the Merge Slides command. You first need to select the slides that you want to merge. Then right-click the selected slides and choose Merge Slides. After that, those slides are merged into the first selected slide. That's it.